Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit your friend's nickname on Snapchat. So let's go. For this, first we have to go to your Snapchat app, then click on search bar button and search for your friend. And now long press on your friend's name. You can see here edit name for this nickname. So click on the name. You can edit your friend's nickname which you want. Click on save. So this is how you can edit your friend's nickname on Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.